Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been so long since I record a video because I'm not getting proper time as I'm going to school, working and again recording. It's not possible for me to record all the clips, so that's why I didn't posted any video. And this is a Sunday vlog. Some little glimpse I have added. On that day I have got the books for Juno. On Sunday also we had a school because of this is admission time, as you guys know. So that is the reason. And this is a Monday. As usual, my routine begins with the houseworks and then puja and all of that. Yeah, coming to IBPS PO exam, I'm feeling very low, guys. These days, I don't know why. Lot of shit is going in my life, and along with that, I can't focus on my studies as well because of the work and all of that. I'm not able to balance both the things, and I'm getting nervous that can I able to crack this exam. Even I'm keeping my efforts for this exam, but still somewhere I'm feeling like maybe I may won't qualify this exam. I don't know. Multiple thoughts are running in my head. I don't know what to call this and how I should sort this also. I don't know, but still I'm figuring out to give my 100% efforts for this exam, because at any cost I want to crack this exam, as I'm mentioning this from the May, I guess maybe, yeah. And after this I have did all the housework and then performed puja, and as usual I went to the work. And again, after coming from the school, I am studying for at least 4 to 5 hours, and in the morning I'm trying to study for at least 1 hour. But the problem with me is I can't wake up in the morning, guys. That's a major problem with me. I can study for the night, but due to this hectic work also, I'm not able to study till overnight. That means, let's say 12 1 o'clock, till that time I can't study. Yeah, morning also I'm not able to wake up. I don't know how to figure it out and how to sort the situation, but I'm trying to wake up early in the morning so that I can get 3 to 4 hours time, 3 hours in the morning, so that after coming from the school, even if I feel like tired, I can study for only 3 to 4 hours, so it will be enough. Like let's say I can manage all the subjects together if I do such sort of things, thinking to manage. Yeah, I don't know. I'll update in my future vlogs as well how I'm studying and how my preparation is going on. I'm thinking to post videos like day 1, day 2, day 3, because it will be a kind of motivation for me and for you guys as well, because managing the work and studying again is really a tough task. If I'm a full-time aspirant, then definitely I can crack the exam. I'm having a confidence on that, but due to this work I'm not able to sort the things. But I can't blame myself on this, right? So I want to crack this exam, because even if we study for at least 8 to 9 hours with a productive study, then we can crack the exam. Yeah, I'm keeping my efforts. I'll update in my future vlogs also. Yeah, and how is your preparation going on? It's been so long since I have speak to you guys, and you guys are keeping the comments and all of that. Yeah, and coming to the evening, as I came from the school, and again I have written one sectional mock. As I posted my IBPS PO strategy video, week 1 I couldn't study anything, so from this Monday I have started the task whatever I kept pending on that. Yeah, and I have written one sectional test, but my score is literally got shit, guys. Literally, totally shit. I don't know what's happened in the between. I couldn't focus on my exam as well, and I kept something. This problem occurs with you guys also, that you will think one answer and you will keep another answer in the English, and again when you are checking when you are doing the analysis time, your answer whatever you thought that it might be the correct, that answer will be only the correct option. Yeah, every time this is happening with me in my English exams, even in the exam time also. Yeah, and after that I did SI class, but I couldn't record it because I paid money for the Telegram channel, as most of you might have heard, because they are providing the content over that with less amount. So I took the subscription, but I thought of recording the clips of Kaushik's classes, but it is saying that protected content, we can't record the video clips, so that I didn't add it. I thought that it is recording already because I heard the class from the uh, phone itself, but it is didn't recorded. So I heard the SICA class from 1 hour, and then after I did current affairs from Abhijit sir. As I mentioned that I'm not able to from Ashish Gautam sir in my previous vlogs I have updated, so that is the reason why again I have shifted to the Abhijit sir classes. I'm thinking to take the Kush sir classes subscription, but I don't know how far it is going to work out for me, because even if when I'm listening in the YouTube classes of Kush sir, I couldn't focus that much, because sir class is too lengthy, and moreover I'm not able to understand that much, and I can't keep that much time on my current affairs as well, because I'll get only 5 to 6 hours time after coming from the school. So I couldn't keep my 100% efforts on GA itself, right? Because I have to manage all the other subjects as well. So thinking to do, I don't know, please drop me in the comment section that which subscription is best for the current affairs, whether it might be weekly or else I should I want the notes as well because I couldn't ready and I couldn't study. So that is the reason why I'm thinking to take the quiz classes, because sir provide the content with a handwritten note. So that is why I'm thinking to purchase it, but I don't know. Let's see what is going to happen. And then after on this Monday itself, Puneet sir started the 10 p.m. puzzles for the IBPS PO. So I thought of listening the class, but it is a live class, so it takes me a lot of time to do. So that is the reason why instead of that I have heard the Nimisha ma'am class, perfection class from the Telegram channel, whatever I took the subscription there. So from that I have heard the class, but I couldn't record it because I have heard in my phone itself. While I'm sleeping, I heard the class, like match the columns class maybe. Yeah, that class I have heard. And then after, in the next day morning, I have did the Punitzer puzzle class, which sir updated it on the Mondays. So that means I'm one day back of the sir classes. So in the morning, from around 7 o'clock to 8 o'clock, I have did the puzzle classes. But the class is of 1 hour 25 minutes. So in that class, I have did 1 hour class I have did, and I have solved the puzzles. Yeah. And coming to the Nimisha ma'am editorial class, as you know that ma'am teaches very good, but these days it is going up to 1 hour and a lot of vocabulary is there. That's all about this vlog, guys. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.